Now we will talk about IPTI AI. Maybe my pronunciation can be wrong, but spelling is YIPPITY. So basically, this is a very good tool for teachers and student also who want to generate multiple number of question as like short answer type question or multiple choice question, true false question. Means every type of question you can generate by using this IPTI AI. So IPTI is an AI powered quiz generator that helps students and educators create quizzes and flashcards from text or website link. So by using text, by using website link, by using document, you can generate various type of questions. And the tool analyze content and automatically create question in various formats such as multiple choice, true, false, fill in the blanks, and there can be many things. So what are some key feature of this IPT include easy question generator, multiple format means can produce quizzes, flashcard and study guides, customization after quiz generation, you can edit, delete or add their own question and answer, and you can export and share, and also you can download in various format. Now when we discuss about this software, there are two things. One is a free version. So in free version there is a limitation, means there is a limit by which limit you can generate some question. But when you take subscription, you just subscribe this software, so monthly it will monthly there can be near about 7 to 800 charges. So in that package you can generate unlimited of uh, uh, questions. There is no limitation, and there is other facility also available. So now let's see how this FTAI works. Okay, so firstly you have to create your account. So here, and this is ft.io, you can see start generating question. When you click on this, so firstly you have to register yourself. So just I am trying to registering my Gmail. Okay, I just choose this account and press on continue. So after sign up, this is dashboard of that AI. Okay, now what should we call you? So firstly, you have to, create your username. So username, let's see, I have created this, and here you have to provide your date of birth. So just I have chosen as like, only for your understanding. Suppose I have to, and uh, let's create 03 chosen 03 and 1984. Not now you have to select your role. You are teacher, student, tutor, or other. So just I have selected teacher, and next step. And what subject interests you? So you can subject choose. You can subject as much you want. If you click on other, so then you have to specify. Okay. Now just next step. Now how will you use IPLE? Suppose creating questions by student, study for examination, creating flashcards, generating practice question, assessment and grading, personal learning. Okay, complete the setup. Now your setup is complete. Now here, just see, this is basically, you know, dashboard. Here you can see free credit one, means one time you can work on this particular FTI, and if you want to work many times then you have to take subscription. Now just see uh, uh, which type question generator, multiple choice. So just select question generator. Just I am testing this software, this AI, so you can easily understand. So here you can see text input means by some text you want to generate question, so you have to copy and paste here. And if you want to generate question from a website, so you have to provide URL here. And if you want to generate some question from any document, so you have to upload documents here. Okay, so just I am taking URL input. Here you can select the language. So there are 5 to 6 languages available for the free version. Now number of results, suppose I have selected 25, and here you can see set the difficulty level. I like basic, intermediate, and advanced. Suppose I have selected intermediate. Here I have to provide the URL. So I have taken this URL. Let's see. And here I have pasted that URL. Now just click on the generate. So your question will be generated here. So here you can see uh, we have selected 25. So here you can see 25 question is generated, and what is national curriculum framework. Now you can see, and answer is also there. Okay, now just open this question. So you can copy the question. Now this is the way by which you can create, you know, questions. So here you can see. Now here your free credit is 0, so we cannot generate any other things by this login. For this you have to take subscription, which I have already discussed, near about 7 to 800 charges. Now this is this. Now here also you can see practice mode. So if you want to practice, so here you can write your answer and also you can check. So just I have answered, this is test modes. Okay, check the answer. This is test mode. So this is partially correct, not correct. Okay, and here you can see the view made. If you want to save this quiz, so you can save here. So here you can see saved quizzes. Okay, so in this you can see if you want to edit, so you can edit this question and answer. Okay, so just here you can see your saved uh, quizzes. Okay, here you can see the view the cases, copy paste. If you want to edit, delete, you can do. And also if you want to export all the item, you can do. So here you can we have already checked how question is going to generate. In same manner, if you want to generate multiple choice question, you can do. Flashcard you can do. And this is all. So this is very good AI to generate questions that can be multiple choice, single answer, multiple answer, fill in the blanks, true and false. Every type of question you can generate in this. So actually I am discussing the free version. If you are going to take subscription, so that can do many things for you. So here you can see in free version, one AI generation per month, basic question type, save and share the quizzes, limited to access. This is free version. But when you are taking premium version, so here you can see unlimited generation. All AI tools included. Priority access to new feature, enhance AI accuracy, early adopter price low. So, these are some plans you can subscribe. If you are looking for generation of thousands and lots of question, so this subscription is very much important, because in my point of view this is really good AI to generate the question. Multiple choice questions, every type of question you can generate, because I have shown you how this is going to work. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.